this fucking yellow oil gonna show up the time the same color. That motherfucking shit. Wow! Time. Man, that just did that. I'm like timing. This motherfucker kind of started from time be like, booyah! Fuck Wolfpack!
You don't say that in this one, all on YouTube.
I'll put all that shit on YouTube. Fuck Wolfpack, fuck D, fuck all the motherfuckers out here in Stockton couldn't help a nigga come start a nigga shit. Woo! I know. I just took the time all out. I get to put more gas in just a little bit. I get to put more gas in. Pour out the backside. I know about this shit. Bloopers. Oh, just get back. Shit. Come on, shake it. I guess it was in gear. Oh, it was spinning?
Look, the tire fell off.
Hey! I gotta sit down on that one.
Watch back.
Huh?
Watch back.
Hey!
He been back.
Did that get recorded?
All of this is getting recorded.
Fuel pump in there?
Nah, it's, yeah. I ain't got no, I gotta get a fuel line. Bro, I got a fuel line this out.
No,
He ain't there, huh?
Catch your existing one, put it in between it, and you got your return right here. No, your return is right here.
Oh, that one little small
Your
thing?
vent.
One more time. Put some more gas in. I gotta send this to a motherfucker with a fuck you on there. Put this motherfucker fuck there.
All the bloopers. She ain't stopped recording yet, nigga. She ain't stopped recording yet. Towards the front of the motor.
That was to the back. It's to the back.
Oh, my journey's always in the front. Yeah.
That motherfucker's. Where I can spin it, it's spinning. I ain't got no gear on the rear end.
Watch out this time.
Oh. Chill in there, Luke. Wait for the flame, wait for it. Oh, shit. Oh, got it, got the flame. This one up.
Do you got any oil in there?
I don't know.
hole.
There's a hole in there. Ain't no water in there.
Yeah,
Then.